Hey there, friend. This is the Silkland Ultra High Speed 8K HDMI 2.1 cable. Now, let's be completely real. I don't own an 8K TV, and honestly, you probably don't either. But you don't need an 8K display to put this thing to the test. Today, we're putting it through the realistic world testing to see how it handles a 4K setup, checking everything from high refresh rate monitors to the eARC soundbar to see if that 48 gigabit per second bandwidth is the real deal. If you're already dealing with like screen flickers or you just need a new cable, go ahead and check the link in the description. I've got that there for you. Let's open this up and let's get into it. Thank you so much, Silkland, for sending over your ultra high speed HDMI 2.1 cable. This thing is a beast. It's got 8K at 60 hertz, 4K 120, and it's got 48 gigabit per second bandwidth stability. This thing is HDMI certified. Go ahead and check that out. I'm really excited to look at this cable. Let's see what's inside the bag. This isn't just like a regular cable. This one is designed to work with your modern high-tech devices like your PS5, Xbox Series X. It's got that DRR ALLM specification for those high-tech, new, sort of best-in-class devices. You've got the eARC audio pass-through, so if you want to use this like with your soundbar or something like that. And like I said, this is like top quality construction. I'm really excited to really just test it out on my, regular devices. It's got this beautifully designed aluminum alloy casing, and it's more durable than your average cable with this nylon weave. I think this is absolutely beautiful. And if you're interested in upgrading your cables into something, I was like, oh, good. I thought this was gonna be short. It's actually pretty good. I think this is about like a 3-foot cable. And I mean, at the end of the day, HDMI is HDMI. This has been around for a while, but this is the latest, the greatest, the best you're gonna find for almost any manufacturer. So you got that 8K high test, best of the best. Let's plug it into a few devices and make sure that it works as advertised. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the eARC functionality here with the soundbar on my TV. And I'm really hoping that it's gonna just be plug and play, flawless operation like you would expect. And that's honestly what is advertised. All right, so obviously I'm a little bit scared to play any copyrighted sound on the video, but I've gone ahead and checked a few samples from some of my favorite movies that I have heard throughout my life. It is plug and play perfection. Soundbar's happy. TV is loving it. This is a great cable. I love the high quality construction, and it works exactly as you would expect it to. I don't have anything crazy, but I love checking out, old school DVDs, Blu-rays, especially for that high quality 1080p experience here in the living room. And I've got that HDMI disconnected. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my DVD player with the new Silkland cable, because I think this is kind of like the ultimate setup with the 4K. You get that Ultra HD Blu-ray, and you want a cable that's gonna give you the best possible signal. That's exactly what I'm interested in testing out. Okay, so obviously at the end of the day, a cable is a cable, but this one stands out for the fact that it works flawlessly with each of the devices in my home. Plus, I really appreciate that high quality feeling. I've had cables die just, from owning them for a few years, and I get the impression that Silkland has put the time and the effort into making this a high quality product. So here in my humble little downstairs living room, it seems to be working out great, and I'm very, very thankful for that. Okay, and the other part of my life that I absolutely put the most money and effort and consideration into is my PC setup. So anytime you can get me to use your product in my beloved setup here, this is definitely, this is my baby here. So we're gonna plug in the Silkland 8K HDMI cables here. We're gonna give this monitor a run. And, honestly, it should be plug and play after everything I've seen so far. And I think that's so important that you can take the equipment that you trust, that you use every day, and you can trust what you're connecting to it. Okay, so there you go. Even though I don't have any 8K equipment, now I have future-proofed cabling for my 4K and beyond setups here. And I couldn't be happier with how high quality and how plug and play these cables really are. So if you're checking out the Silkland products, I have nothing bad to say. It does everything as advertised, and it looks great. So, what's the verdict? You don't need an 8K screen to get your money's worth here. Between the flawless 4K handshake with the computer monitor, 0 dropouts on the Blu-ray player, and perfectly stable eARC audio to that soundbar, this cable handled everything I threw at it flawlessly, straightforward, exactly what you need. It's rock solid, it's officially certified, it's a perfect building block for any modern setup. If you want to secure one for your own rig, make sure to click that link down in the description. Please subscribe to the channel if you've made it this far into the video. We're so close to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching.